Jai Sri Swaminarayan student. I welcome you all in a lecture of C programming. Okay. So in the previous lecture we learned about the scanf statement. Okay. So in the scanf statement, the syntax of scanf statement is scanf control string ampersand argument 1 and so on. So here in the control string you have to write a format specifier. Okay, and here you write the argument with ampersand. Why? Because this is ampersand is used to access the address of variable. Okay, so this is the scanf statement which is used to take input from user and store the values. ઓકે, એટલે કે સ્કેનએફ સ્ટેટમેન્ટનો ઉપયોગ જે છે એ યુઝર જોડેથી ઇનપુટ વેલ્યુ લેવા માટે અને એને વેરિયેબલમાં સ્ટોર કરવા માટે થાય છે. ઇટ ઇઝ અ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ unformatted input statement. Okay, so printf and scanf both are the unformatted input statement and output statement. Okay, so this is the scanf statement we learned in a previous lecture in a detail. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is a character input output. So let's start the character input output. So first of all we talk about the get character. Okay, so the function get character and put character, these both functions are used to read and write characters respectively. Okay, so the get character is used or uses the buffered input and read the next character from buffer and returns ASCII value. Okay, so get character and put character are the read and write characters respectively. એટલે કે these function are used to read and write characters only. Okay, so here get character is uses એટલે કે get character ઉપયોગ કરે છે the buffered input and read the next character. એટલે કે buffered input નો ઉપયોગ કરે છે. It use the buffer input and read the next character from the buffer. Okay, and returns the ASCII values. Okay, so get character is buffered input and read the next character from the buffer and return the ASCII value. Okay, so get character is use or syntax of get character is character variable is equal to get char. Okay, so this is the syntax which is used to take input as a character, where character variable is a character variable declare with care. ઓકે, એટલે કે અહીંયા શું લખવાનું, એવો વેરિયેબલ લખવાનો કે જે કેર ડેટા ટાઈપ સાથે ડિક્લેર કરવામાં આવેલો હોય. ઓકે, સો લેટ્સ સી ધ એક્ઝામ્પલ that for example here character C. Okay, so this is the data type and this is the name of variable, and C is equal to get character. Okay, so this is the example. In this case, get character wait for user to enter a character, and once a user press a character, it assigns the ASCII value of that character to the variable C. એટલે કે જ્યારે કોઈ પણ યુઝર જે છે એ વેલ્યુ જે છે એ એન્ટર કરાવડાવશે. ઓકે, એટલે કે કોઈ પણ કેરેક્ટર એન્ટર કરાવડાવશે તો એ C નામના વેરિયેબલની અંદર સ્ટોર થશે અને એની ASCII વેલ્યુ જે છે એ ગેટ કેરેક્ટરને અસાઇન કરવામાં આવશે. ઓકે, લેટ્સ understand it with the example. So let's start it. Hash include, okay, stdio dot h and void main, then character C is equal to y integer num. Okay, so while C is equal to y, printf enter an integer. Okay, then scanf %d ampersand num. Okay, and printf you have entered %d /n. Okay, and then I write here num. Then printf Do you want to continue? Yes or no? Flush all. C is equal to get character, and this is the close. So here what happened, when the value of character C is Y, then this loop is continue. Okay, એટલે કે જ્યાર સુધી આપણે અહીંયા y એન્ટર કરાવડાવીશું ત્યાં સુધી લૂપ જે છે સતત ફર્યા કરશે. ઓકે, so let's see what is the output of this program. So output of this program is enter an integer, that is a 34. For example, I enter 34, then the output is you have entered 34. Okay, and again it asks, do you want to continue? Okay, yes or no. If you entered yes, then again it is asked, enter an integer. Okay, so this is the program. એટલે કે જ્યાર સુધી તમે yes enter yes અથવા તો y enter કરાવડાવશો ત્યાં સુધી જે છે તમને આ આઉટપુટ સતત વારંવાર મળ્યા કરશે. ઓકે, સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ ગેટ કેરેક્ટર, એટલે કે એનો ઉપયોગ જે છે એ કેરેક્ટર લેવામાં થાય છે. કેરેક્ટર એઝ અ ઇનપુટ તરીકે જ્યારે પણ તમારે લેવું હોય તો એ વખતે જે છે એ તમે આને ગેટ કેરેક્ટરનો ઉપયોગ કરી શકો છો. ઓકે, સો સેમ લાઈક ધેટ there are another function that is a put character. Okay, so put character is used to print the character whose ASCII value is given as input. Okay, so here the syntax of put char is okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, and here where variable should contain the ASCII of character to be printed. Okay, so let's understand it with example. Here I declare the character C is equal to A. Okay, then put character C. Okay, in this case character A will be printed as an output. Okay, so this is the example. Okay, let's see one program to understand it. So example, hash include stdio.h void main character C printf enter uppercase letter. Okay, so C is equal to get character. Now printf equivalent lowercase letter put character C plus 32. Okay, so what is the output? So output of this program is enter an uppercase letter, that is A, then equivalent lowercase letter is small a. Okay, so this is the program of put character which is used to print the particular character onto the display, and the get character is, so this is the program of get character as well as the put character. Here you can see this is the whatever the value in uppercase. Okay, so this is the get character which take the input, okay, a character as a input, and the put character prints the particular character value plus 32 and whatever the answer is, that is a okay, એટલે કે get character જે છે એ સિંગલ character as a input તરીકે લેશે અને put character જે છે એ કોઈ પણ character હશે તો એની ASCII value જે છે એ ASCII value પ્રમાણેનો જે કંઈ પણ character હશે એનો print કરશે. એટલે કે get character જે છે એ સિંગલ character as a input તરીકે લેવા માટે અને put character as a single character output આપવા માટે જે છે ઉપયોગ કરવામાં આવે છે. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept of get character and put character very well. We meet in a new lecture with a new concept of string input output statement. Okay, so till Jai Shri Swaminarayan, Astu.